Today is a very exciting day.
It's not true.
So, it is time to start screeding the floor. I went to Bunnings today, and actually before that, we did some testing of the floor to get the right colour. I'm going to show you that now. Cool. We did some testing of the wood fillers to work out which colour was the best to fill the floors with. So this is timber-made wood-based wood filler, water-based wood filler. And we tried 3 colours which we could get the large containers of. So we got the small containers to begin with to work out which colour. So this is the brush box. This is the hardwood. And this is the teak or cypress colour. And the teak's pretty orange, and we knew straight away that we weren't happy with that colour. The hardwood's kind of that wood putty classic colour. It's quite light, so that doesn't blend well with our floors, but we found that the brush box was the best match in terms of puttying the holes. So we're going to screed all of the floors in the house to fill all those little gaps, little nail holes, the old staple holes, and just to give us an even service ready for sanding tomorrow to start off with. So I went to Bunnings today. I got a finishing trowel, and I also got a broad knife to see which one's better for screeding the floors. I'll start off with a trowel, I think, I'm not sure. I don't know, but we'll see how quickly and how effective this floor filling is tonight. I'm going to mix the water-based wood putty with a little bit of water so it gets a little bit thinner. It's quite thick out of the container, and we should be good to go. party, people. I need to show you my tool belt. There's not much in there though. Hold on. Let me scratch the supplies. Yes. Oh. Who's a proper tradie now, eh?
Me.
Baby lock them door. Amy's got some boots. Have you shown them the boots?
They are very dusty.
Just like my beautiful Vans.
They were purple.
We have been smashing it the last few days. It's been a few big days.
Yeah.
We've pretty much worked all weekend on the house, which was probably the only weekend we've done that so far because we had hired some sanders from Bunnings, from the local Bunnings, and we loved the drum sander, contrary to popular opinion from what we've read online. We actually really loved using the drum sander and it gave us great results on the floors. Did not like the orbital sander, the floor sander that we had, that was not great. And not a huge fan of the edger either. I would much prefer using a palm orbital sander to feather the edges between the drum and the wall. And then for the corners, we like the little mini sander. So that's pretty much what we've been up to the last 2 days.
Yeah.
And today I installed all of the door handles back onto the doors, which look really good, and started hanging some curtain rod holders. And Em's done a few coats on the top kitchen cabinets and the bathroom cabinets. And what have I been doing? Some odd jobs. So hanging a mirror in the second bedroom, patching the remaining holes in the floor that we left in the kitchen because they were quite large holes, massive holes that needed some filling. And so the plan is to come back and do some orbital sanding over the next day and then polyurethane the floors, and then we'll be pretty much hanging up curtains, putting on handles, installing bench tops, and we'll be done.
Backsplashes.
Backsplashes, that's right. That's probably the last big item.
Yeah.
Is doing the tiled subway backsplash in the kitchen and in the bathroom. That'll be a big stint, but that'll be the last run. And hopefully we can get that done before the end of this week.
Hopefully.
If we can manage it.
Yeah. Well, once bench tops are in, which is Wednesday, assuming they go in alright, and then we can do it Thursday.
Yeah.
Do it in a night.
And then grout on Friday.
Yeah.
And then 4-year honeymoon on Saturday, Sunday, and
Honeymoon.
Monday. Yeah, honeymoon.
Baby,
Who's tired? 4-year wedding anniversary on Monday, but we're taking the weekend off to enjoy it.
Yeah.
Which is good.
It's actually on Friday.
Is it?
Yeah.
What's the date today?
The 6th.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I know. It's crazy.
That's where we're at. Thanks for sticking with us.
Why does the lighting look so good on you and I look...
I'm just tan, you know? It's the beard. It's lush. Lush beard. We're gonna go get some McDonald's now. I'm gonna get a chocolate thick shake and at least a cheeseburger and some fries.
I feel like at the end of this renovation, when you review our budget, McDonald's has to feature.
We should probably put the McDonald's in the renovation budget. Well, can we get a McDonald's sponsor? Anyone know any McDonald's contacts? I doubt that's gonna happen, but I'd love to be sponsored by McDonald's on the next renovation project. Keep that in mind, McDonald.
Fueled by chai lattes and what is it? Chocolate milkshakes.
Chocolate thick shakes and some fries.
Yeah.
But we're signing off. If you've enjoyed the videos so far, make sure you like and subscribe and do all those notification things. That'd be swell. We'll see you in the next video.